Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're talking more about bossy E. See that bossy guy? When he's at the end of a word, he tells the vowel in the middle to say your name. So I says I, and bossy E is quiet. We can make a lot of words using that bossy E at the end when we remember he makes the vowel in the middle say its name. We have I've, I've, and I'd, like that. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more practice with those sounds. So if you notice on the page, we have that bossy E with the vowel I in the middle. Do you remember what that says? Yes, it says I. So let's do some reading. This says I've. Now we have hive, five, live, dive, I'd, side, inside, hide, wide, ride, tide. Okay, let's read those words one more time to practice that I sound with the long E at the end. I'll choose a new color. Ready? Let's do it. Hive, five, live, dive, side, inside, hide, wide, ride, tide. Nice. Were you able to remember that when we have bossy E at the end, it makes the I say its name? Great job. Thanks for reading with me today. I hope to see you again soon.